Good morning, my name is Moses from the Insurance Guys. Today, I would like to share regarding the importance of estate planning. Why estate planning is important for you and me. We might have the perceptions that estate planning is for the rich people only. But to be honest with you, estate planning is for everyone. If you have your assets, property or money and you want to pass it down to the next generations, you need to plan the distribution accordingly. Estate planning refers to planning on your wealth distribution ahead according to your wishes before any unfortunate event happens, specifically death. All your property, investment, funds and insurance and interest, etc. will be distributed according to the person wish based on his or her will. Well, do you know that 90% of Malaysians do not have estate planning, and there are more than 40 billion ringgit across the country that remain unclaimed. Therefore, having a well thought out plan ahead of time is crucial for you and your beneficiaries to make sure that they don't need to go through a long legal procedure to inherit all the assets left behind. So, why do you need an estate planning? Because there is no automatic transfer of estate to family members or relatives after anyone dies. Especially with the absence of a will, the property will be distributed by legal process under the Distribution Act 1958. The process of freezing an estate application can take 2 or 3 years, which may affect your family daily life and expenses. And the distribution of assets will be distributed according to this table. Proper estate planning can ensure that your family can live as usual and have the same quality of life. So, how to start your own estate planning? Number 1, there's no better way to ensure that your last wishes are properly executed after death than to make a statutory will. After the death of the party concerned, the heirs only need to present the estate inspection certificate, and then the products can be distributed according to the will, which saves time in the procedure. Successfully, the inheritance can be obtained within 6 months. Number 2, separate assets to distribute from your retirement savings will bring better result. This ensures that you have adequate retirement reserve and you can manage your retirement reserve more efficiently and independently without worrying about spending assets set aside for inheritance. Number 3, leveraging an insurance plan as a wealth succession planning tools. On one hand, it can help you to leave a certain amount of funds and protection for the designated family members. On the other hand, it may also help you of asset appreciation. Number 4, get ready for your retirement with a private retirement fund scheme, a private pensions plan in a voluntary long-term savings and investment plan designed for individuals to accumulate retirement savings. The PRS provide all Malaysians, employed or self-employed, one more options to top up their pensions in this well-structured and regulated environment, and helps you to make distribution of wealth easier as you can direct appoint beneficiary during or after the application. Remember, if we do not have a will at the time of death, our estate will be distributed according to a designated formula in the Distribution Act 1958 unless you are Muslim in West Malaysia and Sarawak or is a native of Sarawak. If you have permanent home in the state of Sabah, then the Interstate Succession Ordinance 1960 will apply. In this situation, there will have a lot of problems will be faced by your loved one. Firstly, the manner of distribution of assets will be detected by the Distribution Act 1958, and then possible family dispute might happen under this distribution. Long-term court case, which is a waste of time and money, and you will be losing right to appoint executor of your will. Losing the right to nominate a guardian of your choice to take care of the assets in case the children is minor. In this case, court will appoint an administrator under Section 30 of the Probate Administration Act 1959 who can act as a guardian. Alternatively, the court will appoint a guardian under Section 8 of the Guardianship of Infants Act 1961 to look after your children's interests. However, the person appointed may not be of your preference. Similarly, family dispute may arise as to who is the most appropriate guardian. A lengthy distribution process. For your information, the process to apply for and obtain a grant letter of administration will entail more cost and time, typically requiring an administration bond, and the appointment of 2 sureties to guarantee the proper administration of the estate, as well as further court orders to affect the transfers of real property. Well guys, that is all for my sharing regarding the importance of estate planning. It is a way to safeguard the interests of your loved one, and it is important to always seek advice and consult from a lawyer to make sure that your wills follow all the legal requirements. That's all from me today. I'm Moses from the Insurance Guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.